Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 2 will present the result of our ISAS, which we title CPU, Central Processing Unit. My name is Subhanuddin and my partner Haryanda Surbakti. Next page, what is CPU? A CPU is a processor often referred to as the brain and the controller center of a computer, formed by other components. A processor is an IC, integrated circuit that controls the entire core of a computer system and is used as the center or brain of a computer, which serves to perform calculation and perform tasks. The processor is the most important device in a computer, namely the executor of a command or program execution. Next page, history of CPU. The first CPU processor to have a very large size, named 4004 CPU, was made in 1971. CPU maker 4004 named Enrico Fagin, Stanley Meiser, and Ted Hoff. The device has 2300 transistors and performs 600 operations per second. Innovation after innovation has been done until now. A CPU that has the name Intel Core i9, released in 2017, has a very small size at a much faster speed than its ancestor. It is 2.60 to 3.30 GHz and has a number of transistors reaching 30 billion. Next page. Currently, a CPU can be embedded in more than one core, so the CPU can be divided into two types based on the number of cores. One, single core, which is a microprocessor that only has a processing core as much as one core. Two, multi-core, as a microprocessor that has more than one processing core. Along with the development of increasingly diverse device, making a processor must be able to adapt to this development. One processor for workstation or desktop PC, like AMD Athlon X2, Intel Core i3, i5, i7, i9. Two processor for server, like AMD Opteron and Intel Xeon. Three processor for mobile device, like ARM Cortex via APC. Next page. The CPU is composed of some components are connected to each other, consisting of arithmetic, logic unit, control unit, register, and CPU interconnection. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, is a component that is tasked with performing computer data processing function. ALU is often called machine language because this section does the machine language instruction given to it. Control unit, in charge of taking instruction from main memory, determine the type of instruction, and control the operation of the CPU, and overall control the computer so that there is synchronization of work between components and carry out their operation function. Register are the CPU internal storage media that are used when processing data. This memory is temporary, usually used to store data when processed or data for further processing. CPU interconnection is a connection and bus system that connects the external component of the CPU, namely ALU control unit and register, and also with external CPU buses that connection with other systems, such as main memory, input or output device. And next page will be explained by my partner Arianda.
Well, then I will continue the presentation. This time I will discuss about how the CPU works. In general, the CPU works with the fetch, decode, execute, and repeat process, or often referred to as a fetch execute cycle. More detail about fetch execute cycle is at the beginning of each cycle, the CPU will read from main memory. A register called the program counter will monitor and count the next instruction. When the CPU is an instruction, the program counter will add one count. Then the instruction that are read will be loaded in a register called the instruction regis. Finally, the CPU will interpret the instructions stored in the form of binary code and perform action according to this instruction. And next is how the CPU works in displaying its output as follows. The first one, external input data from the input device will enter RAM as temporary data. Next, RAM has capacity. And when RAM is full, the data will be inserted into RAM. RAM will go to cache memory as a temporary transit. This is useful to accelerating the completing of input data that has been done in previously. After the change, the data will be entered into the control unit for processing because the control unit functions as a liaison with the other hardware or software to receive, process, and display data sequentially. Next, data from control unit is directed to arithmetic and logic unit, we know it as ALU, to check whether there is a need for mathematical operation or not. The process data will be stored in the register. After that, the data will be entered into the CPU or control unit to determine the next process. The combination of control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and register is CPU. The process from CPU was directed to RAM. The data in the RAM is stored until the data goes to the output. This output is the result of the command we give. For example, the output of our typing on keyboard, and it will display on our computer screen. Okay. Next is the summary of our entire presentation. Is that CPU or processor is a core of a computer. It works very hard every second in completing user commands. Simply put, the processor is a calculator that has evolved. The process carried out by the processor is fetch, decode, execute, repeat. Or we know it as fetch, execute cycle. First generation processor can perform up to 600 operations in 1 second. Looks simple, but over time, the latest processor can perform this instruction billion of times in 1 second. Wow. Okay, and suggestion. We hope that the user better understand the component in computer, especially the processor, because as the brain of a computer, of course, the user must be able to find the processor that has a best suite that need of the device in order to maximize device performance and streamline the budget that the user must spend. Well, we have finished all of our presentation about technology architecture of CPU. We welcoming all questions, suggestion, and criticism. Thank you.